In our previous video, we introduced hybrid apps and discussed some of the benefits that come with this style of development. Of course, no solution is ever perfect, and like anything else, there are certain drawbacks and limitations to building hybrid apps. One of the biggest issues that affects the business side of the application is the lack of visibility into critical user flows. To solve this, you would usually be required to use two separate tracking systems, one for both the native and web side of your hybrid application. Ideally, you are able to track a user flow between both systems, but this can be complicated and extremely difficult to execute properly. Beyond just monitoring and tracking, what if something goes wrong as the user switches back and forth? How do you discover and fix these issues? For any app, especially hybrid ones, resolving these issues can be complex and cause headaches for both your users and your development team. Here at Crittercism, we are now incorporating full hybrid app support into our industry-leading mobile app intelligence product. This means you can use a single tracking mechanism to benefit from all the great features of Crittercism seamlessly across both native and web. From crash reporting and exception handling to API service monitoring and transactions, you can now achieve full visibility into the performance of your hybrid application from a single integrated solution. In this retail app example, the products are displayed within a web view, since the content is updated frequently and needs to be displayed consistently across multiple platforms. However, the shopping cart and payment handling is taken care of using native components, in this case using Apple Pay. If a user adds a product to their cart and never completes the purchase, as the app owner, you will want to know why. Did they back out? Was there a slow API request? Or even worse, a crash? This can be virtually impossible to determine using traditional methods. Our business transactions feature, available in the Pro Plus SDK, allows you to monitor critical user flows just like this one. You can track actions taken by the user, as well as events happening at the device level, like network changes and server requests, automatically. You can now see where and why the customer may have dropped off, from the time a user adds an item to the cart in a web view, all the way to the payment and checkout in the native view. If the reason for the failed transaction is performance related, such as a crash or slow network request, you can see all the details needed to help resolve the issue within the Crittercism dashboard. You can even determine which issues are the most costly by attaching dollar values to each transaction. This helps you understand the total revenue at risk, as well as where to prioritize your development efforts. These, along with all the other great features brought to you by Crittercism, give you the full app intelligence you need to run your mobile business smoothly. Crittercism's hybrid support is now available for both iOS and Android, so head on over and check it out today.